This is Main Art. Thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm gonna do something creepy. What is it? Creepy? The creepy doll, I'll call it. So I'm gonna just get started here with the pastel, and then get in and let's see what we can come up with here. Just gonna do a really rough outline. All right. Let's see if I can do some shapes here. Okay. From here, I'm just gonna get right in with the charcoal, start shaping this out a little bit. Okay, so getting to the eye area, each side. We can go back over this, of course, and then see if we can get kind of these cheeks going, a little weirder vibe. Okay. Right, so definitely a creepier start here. Kind of got this weird looking face. We'll start with, and then we'll just see where we can take it. Just gonna continue with the charcoal, just kind of get some fading in the sides here. If you definitely have seen some of my other videos, see some similar starting points and techniques, that kind of stuff. Definitely invite you to check those out. If you're into more of the horror art, you know, definitely subscribe. I'm always doing some new stuff. From here, get into a weird looking kind of shape. See, this thing is just a weird kind of shirt. From here, I'm just gonna do something a little strange too, like let's get a weird looking. So yeah, definitely a creepy looking hand. We'll try to get in, shape it out, see where it comes up. Then just getting into the shade a little bit. And definitely making it kind of this weird angle too, gives it a strange look. Just fade that out. Give a little bit of shading off the side. That just gives us a little bit of dimension. Right, so definitely already just looking strange. And then, you know, purposely making it kind of uneven and stuff like that. Just working off some more angles on this side. Okay, so very strange. At this point, I'm gonna jump in, see if we can start adding some color in certain areas. Start making this thing look real strange. Just gonna fade that out a little bit. Even come back in here, 1, 2, 3. Then in here, see if we can work in some, just kind of some strange lines and stuff. Yeah, it's definitely kind of a weird looking thing here. Working a little bit of red too. That weird kind of doll vibe. So yeah, it's starting to look real strange. Get a quick zoom in a little bit. From here, let's just see if we can add a little bit more texture to this thing. We just give it a weird collar. Okay, at this point, let's see if we can get into these eyes a little bit, doing some weird stuff. this out a little bit up here. From here, let's even just see if maybe it's some strings just wrap around this whole thing. Weird. It's like a marionette type feel. Even reinforce some of these. Alright, so yeah, this is main art. Thank you so much for checking this out today. I really appreciate it. This is a creepy looking doll character. Definitely a weirder side here. Just finishing up. even at this point, just gonna do some more final things here. Make it a little bit creepier. Extend some of this out a little bit. All right, well, thank you so much. This is Main Art. Take care.